there's water all around us, Mr. Barton. I wonder how it gets there.
There sure is.
Oh, golly gee, Mr. Barton, there's water on these steps too. How did it get here?
Hi kids, it's Miss El Kasimi. And there's Miss Kelly over there. We're just exploring the great outdoors on our new campus. It's almost like we're in a place not in the city. Well, anyway, if you look behind me, there's the creek. So we're going to talk a little bit about the water cycle, and we thought using our own creek would be a great idea. All right, so as you know from our review yesterday, the water cycle has all different stuff going on all the time. Water is always moving. It falls as precipitation in the liquid or a frozen form. It melts, it runs off into rivers and streams. Here we are again, still at the creek anyway. And then it evaporates from the energy from the sun and it rises up into the atmosphere. And then it gets colder and it loses energy and it starts to condense, and then it gets heavy and it falls back down. And so we always have that process going on all around us. So the question for you and our final big project for this 9 weeks, yes, I know the first 9 weeks is almost over, is how are you part of the water cycle? So our essential question today is, how are you part of the water cycle? What we'd like for you to do to show us that you know how you are part of the water cycle is you have a task. We want you to create a visual display, which is also known as a product, explaining how you are part of the water cycle in your daily life. You need to make sure that you include these terms: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. There are lots of different kinds of products that you can do to show us how you are part of a water cycle. And here is a list of some product examples. You can make a poster, you can make a slides presentation, a diagram, a brochure, a model, a comic strip, a video, and there are other things that you might want to come up with.